Well, g'day Curd Nerds. I'd just like to say a big thank you to all the people who wished me well during my recent illness of 3 weeks. It was a pretty nasty sort of virus and gave me a pretty bad chest infection, all that sort of stuff. Bad cold, lost my voice for a week, swallowing razor blades. It was just dreadful, and both Kim and Ben came down with it as well. So I felt loved, that's for sure, from all you guys and girls out there, and it certainly did help with my recovery to get back into posting up cheese making YouTube videos. Well, just a quick one. Now, don't forget that there is a live stream on Wednesday, Australian Eastern Standard Time at 8:30 a.m. So I have scheduled that on the dashboard. So if you go to the channel, you can see the scheduled live stream. And of course, there will be another live stream on Saturday at the same time, 8:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And you can figure that out for whatever time zone you have. So don't forget to turn up and have all of your cheesy questions ready for me to answer. And fingers crossed, I'll be able to answer them. All right, well, that's all for now, Curd Nerds. Thank you so much for all the best wishes and love and all that sort of stuff. Without it, I probably wouldn't have got through as fast as I did. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.